I spent the last month testing every free AI tool Google has released, expecting them to be mediocre at best. But what I found was shocking. These tools are not only completely free, but they are actually outperforming paid alternatives that cost $20 to $50 per month. So in this video, I'm walking you through all tools and showing you exactly how to use them to replace your entire tech stack. Starting off with tool number 1, we have AI Studio Build, and you can access this at aistudio.google.com. Now, this site is usually where Google releases their experimental models for developers. So, the interface might look a little technical at first, but don't let that scare you. It is actually incredibly easy to use. To access the feature, you just go to the left sidebar and click the Build button. That opens up a window asking you to describe your idea. This literally means you can type in plain English and Gemini will handle all the hard work, writing the code from scratch. So I'm going to type a simple request. Build an event registration landing page. Include fields for name, email, ticket type with pricing options, and a payment form. Make the design clean and modern. Watch what happens. AI Studio instantly starts planning the structure, writing the code, and building the interface in real time. And look at what it created. A fully functional event registration page with a clean design and input fields for attendee information. It includes a dedicated pricing page where users can clearly view ticket options and prices. And if you don't like something, you can just tell it to make the button blue or add a logo, and it updates instantly. You can use this for landing pages, client portals, or really any web app where you would normally hire a developer or pay for a tool. And the best part is, it is completely free inside Google AI Studio. Next tool is NotebookLM. And honestly, it shocks me how many people are still unaware of this platform. You can access it at notebookm.google.com. And while it is incredible for general research, the real game changer is a new feature called Video Overview. This takes your raw files and actually transforms them into a full explainer video. Here is how it works. Once you are in NotebookLM, just create a new notebook or open an existing one. For this example, I'm going to use a notebook I created about workflow automation, where I have already uploaded several articles and strategy guides. Now look over at the right side under the Studio tab and you will see the Video Overview option. But before you click Generate, here is a pro tip. You can actually configure the output before it starts. Just click the settings icon, hit the custom button right here, and you can give it your own specific instructions. So I'm going to type this. Focus specifically on the budget planning section and emphasize the long-term ROI. Keep the tone professional but engaging. Now I'm going to click on Video Overview. It usually takes a few minutes to render because it is effectively reading through every single document, understanding the context, and scripting a show from scratch. You can use this to turn research into training materials, create onboarding videos from dry documentation, or basically any time you need to turn dense technical papers into content people actually want to watch. Moving on to next tool, Gemini Canvas. And this is built right into the main Gemini interface. What Canvas does is transform documents into presentations automatically with AI-generated slides and visuals. Here's how to access it. Go to Google Gemini, and once you're on the screen, click where it says Tools at the bottom and select Canvas. I'm going to upload this business plan I created. It's pretty boring. It has all plain text, lots of white space, and very basic formatting. Now, I'll tell Gemini this. Create a presentation from this business plan. Include visuals for each section and press enter. Watch this. Gemini is analyzing the document, identifying key sections, planning the slide structure, and generating visuals in real time. And let's take a look at the result. This is honestly impressive. It didn't just copy and paste text. It restructured the entire information into slides, added relevant images and graphics, and created a clean visual layout. I can click through the slides. Each section from the business plan became a dedicated slide with appropriate visuals. The formatting is professional. The information is organized logically, and it's actually presentation ready. This saves it directly to Google Slides, where I can access and edit it later. You can use this for turning reports into presentations, transforming written proposals into pitch decks, or creating training slide decks from documentation. It works anytime you have a text-heavy document that needs to become a visual presentation. And the best part is that this is available right inside the Gemini interface for absolutely free. Next tool is Nano Banana Pro, Google's image generation model and it's also built directly into the Gemini interface. To access it, let's open a fresh chat. Click Tools at the bottom and select Create Images. Here's what makes this powerful. The image quality is competitive with expensive tools like Midjourney and Dolly, but it's completely free inside Gemini. I'm going to type this prompt. Generate a product mockup of a minimalist water bottle with a matte black finish. Show it on a clean white desk next to a laptop and notebook. Professional lighting, commercial photography style. I'll press enter. Now give it about 10 to 20 seconds to process. And here is what we get. Look at this quality. The water bottle has realistic texture and reflections. The composition matches what I asked for. The lighting looks professional and not AI generated. The text rendering is accurate, which older AI image models struggled with. The overall aesthetic works for a product pitch or marketing material. One thing to note here is that Nano Banana is also available in AI Studio with more advanced controls like temperature settings. But for most use cases, accessing it directly in Gemini is the easiest way. It's perfect for product mockups, pitch deck visuals, or anytime you need high-end marketing assets without waiting on a designer. So there you have it. Now you have access to these tools completely free. Google AI tools that compete with paid alternatives. You can build apps, turn research into videos, generate presentations, create professional images, animate product videos, and produce high-quality audio, all without paying a cent. If you want more videos like this, breaking down the best AI tools, subscribe to the channel and watch the video on screen next for more free AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.